Just like every other machine learning algorithm, we need some error sanctioning. That is, we need to define losses so that our model can learn the best parameters by minimizing these losses. Let's take a look at the common losses we have when working with artificial neural networks. Firstly, we have the MSE loss, that's the mean square error loss. The choice of this loss is generally made when our task is a regression problem. So in a case where we have a regression problem, we may tend to work with an MSE loss or the mean absolute error loss or a Huber loss. Now, if we're working with a classification problem, then we could use the BCE loss, that's a binary cross entropy loss, when the number of classes we have to work with are actually equals 2. And when the number of classes is greater than 2, we have the categorical cross entropy loss, which is the CCE loss. So in a nutshell, all we have to do when working with artificial neural networks is to first understand our task. Also, sometimes depending on our problem, we could define a custom loss which is made of several of these losses, or even completely different from the kind of losses we are used to working with. And this is because the aim of error sanctioning is to make sure we get the best parameters by minimizing the loss. So if it happens that we find a loss which permits us minimize its error while efficiently getting the best model parameters, then it's advisable to go for a custom loss. That said, we shall go straight to training and optimization.